Alright class, now we continue for the topic lines and planes in space. Okay, for this topic, we need to find a vector equation, parametric equations, and symmetric equations. Okay, how to find these three equations? Okay, I'm gonna explain this based on example 24. Look at example 24. Okay, find a vector and parametric equations for the line through the point E and parallel to the vector V. Okay, that means soalan ni dia minta find a vector and parametric equation. Okay, saya tambah lagi satu, we need to find a symmetric equation. Okay, we need to find the symmetric equation also. So we have three equations that we need to calculate for vector, parametric and symmetric. Okay, so let's start with the three dimension. We have x, y axis and z axis. Okay, and then wait saya padam di sini. X axis, y axis and the z axis. Okay, suppose we have a line L here. Okay, line L that passes through a point E here. Let's say we have a point E. Okay, point A with the value x naught, y naught and z naught. Okay, and then we have a position vector of a point A, r naught. Okay, let's say we have another vector here at a point at a line L here with vector G. Let's say we let as vector G here. Okay, so if I add these two vectors r naught and G, okay, then it will give us a vector R. Okay, so R is equal R naught plus G. Alright, R is equal R naught plus G. Okay, kalau tengok pada soalan, we have a line L that is parallel to the vector. Let's say we have a vector here. Okay, vector V. Okay, they are parallel. That means when vector V is parallel with line L, that means vector V is also parallel to the vector G. Alright, the vector V is also parallel to with the vector G. Therefore, G is equal sum of quantity or parameter, which is I let as a T multiplied by V. Okay, T is depends on the location of the point G along the line. Okay, multiplied by V. V ni, that means parallel with the vector V. Okay, so R, therefore R is equal R naught plus TV. So this is equation of the vector. Alright, this is equation of the vector. Okay, so we know that R naught, okay, R naught ni, saya nak bagi tahu yang R naught dia adalah position vector for point A. Okay, dia adalah position vector for point A. That means R0, the value for R0 is also X0, Y0 and Z0. Okay. And then V, vector V that parallel with line L ni, vector V ni, dia punya value dia is V1, V2, V3. Okay. And we see that from example 24, okay, dia dah bagi point A and parallel point A and vector, dia dah bagi dah. So point A ni adalah X0, Y0, Z0. So that means point A also is the value for R0. Okay, because R0 is the position vector for point A. Okay, value dia X0, Y0, Z0. So R0 is also that means point A ni 3, -4, -1. Okay, saya tulis kat sini point A 3, -4, -1. And then vector dia yang dibagi dalam soalan tu 1, 1, 1. Okay, that means point A yang dibagi ni is the value for R0. And vector yang dibagi 1, 1, 1 ni is the value for V. And then we substitute into this equation. We substitutekan dia. Therefore R is equal 3I minus 4J minus K. Okay, ini for R0 plus T times V1 V2, V3, which is 1, 1, 1. Sorry, it's supposed to be IJK. IJK. I plus J plus K. Okay, kalau tengok pada yang ni, vector yang dia bagi ni, I plus J plus K. Alright. So, and then we expand T. Expandkan dia. 3I minus 4J minus K plus IT. Okay, T times I, you get IT. T times J, we get JT. T times K, we get KT. Alright. And then combine. We have to combine yang mana yang we have to combine the I value J dengan K. So 3I plus IT, combinekan dia. And then negative 4J plus JT. Okay, and then negative K plus KT. Okay, and then we have to factorize. Okay, factorize the I, J and K. 3 plus T. Bawa keluarkan I dia. Faktorkan I, bawa keluarkan I dia. Factorizekan dia. Okay, that means I times 3, we get 3I. I times T, we get IT. Okay, and then plus. Faktorkan J. So, dalam kurungan negative 4. That means negative 4 ni, negative ni duduk dalam kurungan. Bukan kat luar, kan? Kat luar ni is a plus. Okay, kita kena tambahkan dia. Okay, negative 4 plus T. J. J ni duduk kat luar. J times negative 4, negative 4J. J times T, JT. Alright, and then plus negative K. Okay, negative K, that means negative 1. The value is negative 1. So, negative 1 plus T. K. Okay, so K times negative 1, negative K. K times T, we get KT. Alright. So, this is the equation of the vector. This is the answer for equation of vector. Okay, this is the answer the vector equation. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, from equation yang starting equation yang kat sini. Kita substitute the value and then kita simplifykan, faktorkan. This is the last answer for vector equation. And then next, how to find the parametric equation. Parametric equation is from the vector equation. Okay, macam ni nak buat from vector equation ni. Okay, we know that I is a position vector for x value, right? I is the position vector for x value. So 3 plus t ni is a x value. J is a position vector for y value. So -4 plus t is a y value. K is a position vector for z. So -1 plus t is a z value. And then kita letkan x, it is equal 3 plus t. Okay, y, it is equal -4 plus t. And then z, it is equal -1 plus t. Okay, so kalau tengok pada general form for parametric equation, okay, kita tengok pada, kalau tengok pada general form for parametric equation, it will be like this. X equal x naught plus v1t, y is equal y naught plus v2t, and then z is equal z naught plus v3t. Okay, this is general form for parametric equation. Therefore, x naught, y naught, z naught ni adalah from point A dia. So, from point A dia ni 3, -4, -1. So, x naught ni is 3 ni adalah for x naught, -4 for y naught, -1 is for z naught. And then v1, v2, v3 ni apa dia? It's a vector. We know that vector dia ijk 1, 1, 1. Okay, so the value for v1 is 1 kat sini. Okay, sebab tu dia tak ada. Sebab tu kita anggap dia value 1 kat sini sebenarnya. So kalau value 1 kita tak perlu tulis 1. Let it be as t. Okay, kalau value 1 kita tak perlu tulis lah kat sini. Okay, v1, v2, v3. So therefore, yang ni adalah jawapan untuk parametric equation. This is the answer for parametric equation. Yang ni. Okay, x, y, z ni. Alright, this is equation, the answer for parametric equation. And then how to find the symmetric equation? The symmetric to find the symmetric equation, we need to rearrange the t. Rearrange the t to make s a subject. Macam mana nak rearrange the t to make s a subject? So from t ni, okay, kita kekalkan t ni. That means x naught kita bawa sebelah. X minus x naught is equal v1t. Kita nak jadikan t sebagai subjek. So t kekalkan dia. Okay, t kekalkan dia. v1 ni, okay, v1 times t ni dia dalam konsep multiplication, dia dalam konsep darab. Okay, v1t ni dia dalam konsep darab. Kalau v1 ni kita bawa sebelah, dia akan jadi division, dia akan jadi bahagi. Okay, so it will be x minus x naught divided by v1. Okay, kita nak jadikan t sebagai subjek. So t is equal x minus x naught divided by v1. Okay, and also for y value, that means y minus y naught divided by v2 is equal t. Sama je cara dia. Okay, kita kekalkan t dia. Okay, kita nak jadikan t sebagai subjek. And then last one, z minus z naught divided by v3 is equal t. Okay, kita rearrangekan t, make symmetric equation, the general form for symmetric equation, ini saya padam lah. Sini. So the symmetric equation is x minus x naught divided by v1. Okay, yang ni, that means saya combinekan semua. Saya combinekan for x, y dengan z. Sebab tiga-tiga ni is equal by t. Is equal t. So, saya combinekan x minus x naught. X minus x naught divided by v1 is equal y minus y naught divided by v2 equal z minus z naught divided by v3. Okay, saya combinekan sebab tiga-tiga ni equals by t. That means t is equal this one. Okay, tapi tak perlu tulis t. Okay, so this is general form for symmetric equation. Okay, and then substitute. Kita tahu, we know that point A, what is point A? Yang tadi dan soalan dia bagi 3. Point A is 3, negative 4, negative 1. This is x naught, y naught, z naught. And then vector v is 1, 1, 1. And then substitute. Okay. X minus x naught is 3. Over dengan v1 is 1. Okay. Equal y minus y naught is negative 4. Divided by v2. v2 is 1 also. Equal z minus z naught is negative 1. Divided by v3. v3 is 1 here. Okay. And then simplifykan dia. X minus 3. Negative, negative, it should be positive. So y plus 4. Equal, negative, negative should be positive. So z plus 1. Okay. So this is the answer for symmetry equation. Okay. Ni jawapan dia for symmetry equation. Okay. Boleh faham dah? How to find the vector equation, parametric equation and symmetry equation. Alright. Kalau tak faham, boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay? Alright, example 26. Next video.